My camera's broken. I can't use my microphone. So you're gonna have to deal with the camera microphone. But there's a place down the road. It's called Finn Holloway River. It's Finn Holloway Road. I wanna go down it. I wanna go down that beach. Okay, so we're gonna go. Okay, so we made it to Finn Holloway Road. I was gonna show you the road sign, but there was a bunch of people behind me and it was scary. But this is the road. So we're gonna find the river on this road, apparently. Me and Josh came down here one day to find it. And we seen the road, but it was overgrown. So we're gonna see what's up today. We're gonna see what's up today. Chloe, say hi to the people. Hi, Mimi. Okay, we're almost there. Hold on. Okay, we're coming up on where it's supposed to be at. See? That's scary. Do you think we can go down there, or should we walk? I'm about to drive down there. I'm about to do it. I'm scared. I'm real scared. I'm just a photographer, finding some birds to photographer. I'm scared. There's no signs. Oh my god. Chloe, if we get stuck in here, we're gonna have to back out all the way, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, this is a good turnaround spot if I need to, maybe. There's like jungle next to me on both sides. I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm scared. Oh, there's stuff in the road. Oh no. What's back here? Oh, I found it. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's the bridge. You're fucking lying. Shut the fuck up. Chloe, we found it! There it is, you see it? Let me zoom in. Slow zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh my god. Okay, let me get out of the car real quick. I'll be right back. We got both the back windows open. You'll be alright. Wait, am I zooming in like before? Yeah, I am. No, Chloe, stay right there. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go look. She wants to go so bad. You guys, I don't know if my ears are popping. No kayaking down it. That's terrifying. Okay, let's snap a couple pictures, I guess. I can't explain it, but something inside of my soul is telling me to get the fuck out of here. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're in the car doors are locked. I'm rolling just in case anything happens. We gotta back up out of here. Turn my air down so you can hear me. Okay, yep. So we're rolling, we're backing up. Cannot see the road. I'm just feeling just in case anything jumps out. Because this weird feeling came over me while I was taking pictures that I was being watched. I did not like that feeling at all. It sounded like I heard a noise, but the car was going really loud, so I really don't know what it was. So I am getting the fuck out of here. Okay, I got your attention. Oh, and when I got out, hold on, let me get back up and I'll tell you. When I got out, initially my ears were like popping. It was like, cause see, there's like trails in the woods and stuff, bro. I don't know if it's four-wheeler trails, but look at that. That's a freaking clear ass trail right there. That's the road I was on. This road goes to other houses, goes in between houses. But I don't want to go down there, so we're gonna go this way and we're gonna go home. That was our quick little adventure of the day. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's party, baby. That was weird. Don't ever do that again. Chloe, I know you're hot. We're going home.